Hello, WordPress website creators and business owners. Do you know, on an average, 30,000 websites are hacked every day, and you need a proactive, strategic approach to WordPress website security that protects your site from brute force attacks, malware infections, and other cyber threats. Yes, it is very important topic, and we are already discussing on this topic on this channel. And we made this wonderful website in an earlier video using the I EITS WordPress image. It is an amazing website, so you might be knowing about the features that you can use with the WordPress and with the premium theme. Okay, so you can watch this specific video for this thing overview. So I am focused for security of WordPress website in this video, and I have solid security uh, plugin which gives additional layer of security in terms of password, two-factor authentication, and brute force protection. This is a free plugin. Of course, this is a commercial plugin as well. So you can have additional paid commercial upgrades, but this is freely available at WordPress org, and you can use this plugin. So this plugin has already got 8 lakhs plus installation, and it is protecting multiple WordPress website, no doubt. So let us see what we can do using this plugin, and I'm going to install this solid security plugin on my website setup. So I can go to the plugin section, add plugin. So why I am showing you by installing all these things, and you need to watch this complete video. So the you might be thinking the knowing the plugin name is enough and you can check and install at your own. Yes, you can, but just to check the plugin, you should not install this plugin or any plugin, because it may, or uh, plugins may put some impression on your database, may left some tables that may be unused, or open tables that can be other security hack for the hackers. And yes, so it is important to use only those plugins which you are actually intended to use at your live website. So don't head for testing. So you can test, of course, on a pre-production environment, but on production side it is not recommended. So let me install this plugin: solid security, password, two-factor authentication, and brute force protection plugin. Let us install it and let us see how it can help us. There are many plugins that I can see: solid mail, solid central. So it has been developed by Stellar WP. Yes, the developers are Stellar WP, and they are very good professionals, I feel. Great. So, okay, plugin got installed, and let us activate this. Okay, fine. And I have this solid security basic. So in the settings, what we have, uh, allow and continue. We can skip this for the moment. Okay. So welcome to Solid Security. Answer few questions to quickly enable most important security. So what type of website is this? Non-profit, e-commerce, network, portfolio, browsers, a website that connects people and communities, website that sell products or services, non-profit. So we can choose the e-commerce for best. A scan site. Before we configure solid security, let us scan your store for vulnerabilities. Okay, good. So let us skip for the timing to save some time. Attackers can make thousands of login attempts before you even notice. Okay, that is fine. So we can enable the local brute force and the network brute force. What is network brute force? Enabling this will send data about the login attempts to solid WP servers. So we can go with the default things. And hackers love guessable password. make them hate yours. Okay, so require a strong password, refuse compromised password. This can be very good settings, and it is both have been enabled by default. Let us add an additional step when logging in. Allow two-factor. So this is a very important setting that you can offer as additional layer of setting. So allow two-factor means, so you have to, the visitor or the login seeker may require, will require in fact two-factor authentication before they log in at your website. And editor capabilities and data. Okay, so we can continue with the default things. Okay, so choosing who are setting the set. Okay, my own website or the client website as applicable for you. Enable security check pro. If certain firewall features, for certain firewall features, solid security must properly configure and identify IP address. Okay, so we can go for default, and this is the IP, configure IP detection, direct connection, proxy server. So we have direct connection, and authorized IP can be placed here. So the proxy detection can be enabled or disabled as applicable, and we can go for the next. So it is most basic but most important setting that you can do in terms of security for your website. Now we have the great work, and thanks for solid security basic. Your site is secure and ready for your users, right? You can go to the dashboard, and definitely we can do multiple things further. So let us solid security news. So site scans we have. So we can start a site scan whenever it is required, or uh, we have plugins scan. So start site scan option is here. It can scan plugins, themes, WordPress core, Google safe browsing, two-factor and password. Okay, so we can start the site scan just to check the results, and we can check rest of the settings once we complete this scan. It may take a while depending upon your website site and all, size and all. Sorry, so what you have already configured at your website, it depends. So it is going fast. Google site safe browsing, you can see the screen is showing everything what is going, and two-factor is here. Wait, so two-factor WPIT had administrative capability but does not have two-factor enabled. So we can enable the two-factor, of course. So it is, this is the result, and for next we have firewall options. So we can configure the firewall using this feature. So we can configure the firewalls, and here are the features. So we can ban users settings, block a specific IP address and user agents from accessing the site. Firewall rules engine are here, so we can put the max firewall violates per IP address, or the minutes for remember, minutes to remember check period. And for the local brute force, we have the automatically lockout, like admin user max logging attempts. So in an earlier video we discussed how we can lock out the users or the IP using the WordFence plugin. So that is a paid plugin, but we can see all those features are available here for free. So you can go with this plugin, like you can limit the login attempts, and you can set the numbers and max login attempts per user, and the minutes to remember bad login. Further, we have network brute force options, so we can enable even so API configuration and all. So this is again a very good setting in terms of security firewall setting. The site check option is here. So if there is any file change, if somehow a hacker or by mistake your developer changes anything, so you can enable the file change tracking. So you can monitor the site for unexpected file changes. So you can even add files for excluded file and folders, and you can enter the list of file paths to exclude. So this is all already configured, so you can simply enable this feature. And further, there is a pro feature that schedules the site scan. Okay, that is a pro feature. And some utilities like enforce SSL and the database backups. So in the database backup section, manually create database backup or schedule automatic database backup. So this is again backup method, email only, and the backup tables. You can configure all these things and wait, right? So user groups, we can create user groups for settings up, like contributors, what contributors can do for this plugin and the security sections. And further, we have notification options. Either we can have uh, notifications or configure what we want to have. Security digest we have in terms of notification, so what we will get in notification. And we have some system tweak settings, like you can protect system files and disable directory browsing. Further, we can disable the PHP uh, uploads and disable PHP plugins, disable PHP in plugins, disable PHP in themes. And in the WordPress tricks, we have the API access of enable XML RPC or disable XML RPC, and you can disable the pingbacks as well. We have the login with email address or username option, and we can select either the email address only or the username only. Hide backend is also an option, like hide backend settings, like the change the login URL of your website. So this is also a good setting. So you have all these things for free, and I feel this solid security plugins offer maximum pro features for free, and we can get most advanced features at a single plugin, and we don't need to spend any money for getting all these features. So you can go with this, and you have multiple options as well. On this channel itself, you will find at least 20s of plugin or the security steps that you can implement for your WordPress website. And if we talk about the next sections, like firewall, we check vulnerabilities, we can check. So the scan for vulnerabilities options are here, and no vulnerabilities found. And in case if your site is infected, the results will come here. User security options are here, so we can enable 2FA or all the security options. Whether we have seen the settings, I'm just showing you all the screens. So settings I have already shown you. Some tools we have, like identify server IPs. We can run the application, the module to check the server IP, and change user ID one. So change the user ID for the first WordPress user. Okay, so this is good. Change database table prefix. Okay, this is also very good option, so that we may enhance the security of database tables. Set encryption key, like set the secure key that solid security uses to encrypt the sensitive value, like 2FA. Okay, good. And create MU plugin loader, so we can run all these things. Check file permissions. So like for example, if I am running, we can check all the file permissions. For home, it is the warning, and the all the file permissions are green, and the config yellow and all. And server config paths can be seen here, and the configuration rules can be seen here. So all good. And you can copy the rules, you can change the rules as applicable. Logs can be seen here, and further get more security options. So it is definitely taking us to the pro. Yes. So all great. And I feel you can use this plugin without any doubt, and it can be obtained at WordPress repository for free until you are not willing to have the pro features. Right? You can check all the details. You can watch this video as well from the developer itself. So it may make explain much better. But yes, my objective is to show you all the great things for your WordPress website. And in the next video, I'm coming with more. And I'm sure you are watching videos coming on the channel regularly and using the tips, themes, plugins as required for your professional website. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video.